Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So I've been exploring the Liberty Mutual car insurance for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the same. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of it. The goal here is not just to look at the brand name, but to understand whether Liberty Mutual actually makes sense for your driving needs, your budget, and the level of support you expect from an insurance company. First, let's talk about what it offers. Liberty Mutual focuses on flexible auto coverage, from basic liability to extras like comprehensive collision and personal injury protection, plus 24/7 roadside help and digital claim support. This means you can start with the required coverage for your state, then add more protection depending on your car, your lifestyle, and how much risk you want to avoid. For example, if you have a newer car, collision and comprehensive coverage may be more useful. But if your car is older and already paid off, you may want to keep the policy simpler to control costs. You also see options tailored for different drivers, including teens, EVs, motorcycles, and even small business vehicles, which keeps the product lineup broad and adaptable to 2026 needs. This is helpful because not every driver has the same situation. A teen driver may need more guidance and safety-based discounts, while an EV owner may care more about repair costs, charging-related concerns, and specialized vehicle protection. Small business vehicle owners may also need coverage that fits daily work use instead of just personal driving. Now let's talk about the benefits and pricing. The big hook is paying for what you need, not bloated add-ons, with potential savings over $700 when switching, and even more if you bundle home and auto. Bundling can be a smart move if you already need both policies, because it keeps everything in one place and may reduce your total monthly cost. But the key is to compare the final bundle price, not just the advertised discount, because sometimes separate policies from different companies can still be cheaper. There are strong discount lovers like violation-free driving, insuring multiple cars, and usage-based tracking through RightTrack, which rewards safer habits over time. These discounts can be useful for drivers who have a clean record, families with more than one vehicle, or people who drive carefully and do not mind sharing driving data. RightTrack may be especially helpful if you avoid hard braking, late-night driving, and fast acceleration, because those habits can affect how the program views your driving behavior. Costs still vary by state, driving record, vehicle safety, tech, and repair costs. But the online quote tool and app make it easy to see a rate before committing. This is one of the more practical benefits, because you can test different coverage levels, adjust deductibles, add or remove extras, and see how those choices affect your price. A good tip is to compare the same coverage limits across different insurers, because a cheaper quote is not always better if it gives you less protection. That said, it's not perfect. The headline savings are averages, so your real discount could be smaller than expected, especially if you already have a clean record with another insurer. This is important because insurance pricing is very personal. Your location, age, claim history, credit-based insurance score where allowed, car model, and yearly mileage can all change the final price. So treat the savings claim as a starting point, not a guarantee. Some of the attractive add-ons, like better car replacement or accident forgiveness, are optional, limited by state, and may raise your premium instead of lowering it. These extras can still be valuable, but only if they match your situation. For example, accident forgiveness may be useful if you are worried about one mistake increasing your rates, while better car replacement may matter more if your car is newer and you want stronger protection after a major loss. But if your main goal is the lowest possible premium, adding too many extras can quickly increase the total cost. RightTrack depends on consistent phone data and may feel intrusive for drivers who dislike being monitored. And state-specific coverage rules can make the experience feel inconsistent when you move or compare with friends. This is something to think about before signing up. Some drivers like usage-based programs because they feel fairer, while others do not want an app tracking their driving behavior. Also, because insurance rules can change by state, a feature your friend has in one place may not be available to you in another. Overall, this feels like a solid choice if you want mainstream coverage, lots of discount options, and a modern app experience, as long as you carefully compare your actual quote with at least one competitor in 2026. Liberty Mutual may work well for drivers who want flexible coverage, digital tools, and the chance to reduce costs through discounts. But before you decide, make sure you check the final premium, deductible, add-ons, customer service reviews, and claim support in your state. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.